Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked 2025 is happening to be one of the company's boldest showcases yet, and the star of the show is gonna be the long-awaited Galaxy Tab S11 series, but with a twist. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech hub. According to fresh leaks from reliable insider Evan Blass, Samsung is shaking things up this year by skipping the usual Plus model entirely. Instead, fans will get two distinct choices: the sleek 11-inch Galaxy Tab S11 and the powerhouse 14.6-inch Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. The Ultra is already making headlines, boasting a smaller notch than last year's S10 Ultra, likely ditching the ultra-wide selfie camera but keeping its massive display and slimmer bezels. Both models will reportedly be available in silver and gray finishes, paired with an optional keyboard cover that hides two surprises: a dedicated AI key and a neat slot for the S Pen. Speaking of AI, Samsung's going all in on Galaxy AI this September. The S11 Ultra is rumored to feature Gemini Live for real-time on-screen queries, a text-to-image generator for instant visuals, an AI writing assistant, and object eraser for photo magic. Not only this, leaks also claim a 24% faster CPU, 27% stronger GPU, and 33% boost to the NPU, setting it up as one of Samsung's most powerful tablets to date. Pricing rumors suggest the Tab S11 starts at $860, while the Ultra climbs from $1,200 for the 256GB version up to $1,700 for the fully loaded 1TB model. The tablets won't be the only stars of the show. The event is also expected to feature the Galaxy S25 FE, arriving in 4 colors, with a design mirroring the Galaxy S25. And while whispers of Samsung's first rollable phone continue to swirl, fans will have to tune in to Thursday to see if the company dares to take its next big leap. Are you excited for its launch as much as we are? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news.